saying hi? Can you say, come here, come here. Where are you running away to? You want to do tricks? Your hair is all crazy looking. Baby just woke up. Say hi, Uncle Sean. Hi, Uncle Sean. You give him a kiss? People kiss? No, good boy. No. Oh. Hi. Say hi to Uncle Sean. Say your birthday's tomorrow. Say your birthday's tomorrow. Stop pulling my hair. Bye-bye. Bye. Say happy birthday. Can you say happy birthday? He's like, no. That's good enough. Say happy birthday. No. I'm getting beat up. Okay. Eli. Sorry. Goodbye. Goodbye, Uncle Sean. We're gonna make a video for tomorrow. Can you say happy birthday? No. Clap. Clap. Yay. Alright, bye.